Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Tech Explorer's channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today we have something truly special, new tech gadgets to share with you. Today we're thrilled to introduce an incredible innovation from Wayy that brings healthcare straight to your home, the Bimo device. Say goodbye to frequent trips to the doctor's office and hello to convenient health checkups at home. Wayy, a renowned French consumer electronics company, is revolutionizing healthcare with Bimo, which debuted at the 2024 Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. Bimo performs a comprehensive 1-minute health checkup right from the comfort of your home. This tiny device, smaller than a smartphone, measures your temperature, blood oxygen levels, heart rate, and even listens to your lungs. Using Beam is a breeze. Just hold it up to your chest and the Wayy app guides you through the process. Your vitals are sent straight to your doctor, ensuring they have the information they need to monitor your health. Bimo also works seamlessly during telehealth appointments, making virtual consultations more effective than ever. It's like bringing the hospital to your home, but way more convenient. Wayy is currently seeking FDA clearance for Bimo in the US and plans to make it available directly to consumers in 2024. Get ready to experience healthcare like never before. Bimo is set to revolutionize home healthcare, making it more accessible and reducing overall healthcare costs. Moss Echo, a groundbreaking way to bring the essence of nature into your home, whether you live in the heart of a bustling city or a serene countryside. Enhance your air quality and aesthetic appeal with vibrant greenery. Moss Echo's sleek design seamlessly integrates into any room, providing a refreshing slice of nature wherever you need it most. In your office, Moss Echo promotes relaxation and productivity by bringing a touch of nature to your workspace. In your living room or kitchen, it enhances the ambiance of your home, making nature a closer part of your daily life. Place it in your bedroom to wake up to soothing nature sounds, ensuring a refreshing start to your day. Watch the magic happen when you spray water on Moss Echo. The built-in IR sensor triggers dynamic responses, activating its display and sound functions. The dormant moss comes to life, spreading a fresh, earthy scent throughout your space. Moss Echo introduces innovative light pole technology, allowing you to visualize various content directly on the moss surface. The light is carefully balanced to provide optimal conditions for moss growth, increasing photosynthesis efficiency by over 20%. Switch between nature scenes, clock functions, nature alarms, audio visualizers, and sleep modes. With customizable designs, Moss Echo transforms your environment into a captivating visual experience. Powered by a 120 MHz Qualcomm registered trademark Kalimba trademark DSP, Moss Echo delivers crystal clear sound quality and immersive audio experiences with its high-performance 24-bit mono audio interface. Bring the beauty and benefits of nature indoors with Moss Echo. Enhance your living space, improve your air quality, and immerse yourself in captivating visuals and sounds. Koshari Crush Ice Cream Maker, a game changer for all frozen treat lovers out there. With the Koshari app, you get access to over 500 healthy ice cream and smoothie recipes. Enjoy delicious ice cream, sorbet, gelato, and frozen yogurt right at your fingertips. Making your own ice cream has never been easier. Just follow these 3 simple steps. Freeze the bowl, add your ingredients, and click the button to start. In minutes, you'll have your very own homemade ice cream. The Crush Ice Cream Maker is portable and wireless. Its compact and lightweight design means you can enjoy your favorite frozen treats anytime, anywhere, whether you're at home or out and about, thanks to its innovative all-around insulated freezing system. The Crush's freezer bowl keeps your ice cream cold and fresh for up to 5 hours, even in warm outdoor temperatures. It can hold up to 210 G of ice cream, perfect for sharing. And cleanup is a breeze. Just remove the dasher from the motor head, rinse the bowl and dasher, and you're done. It's completely hassle-free. Bring the joy of homemade ice cream to your home with the Koshari Crush Ice Cream Maker. Delicious, easy, and portable. What more could you ask for? Let's have a look at Heatbox, your ultimate solution for perfectly heated meals anytime, anywhere. With Heatbox, you can enjoy your meals perfectly heated, stress-free, and right on time. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, Heatbox has got you covered. Say goodbye to cold lunches. With its temperature-controlled heating, Heatbox ensures your meals are always at the optimal temperature for healthier and better managed nutrition. The smart timing function lets you set when you want to eat, and Heatbox will start heating at just the right time. It heats up your meal in just 15-25 minutes, so it's ready exactly when you are. From greens to proteins, Heatbox's specific heating process gets the most out of every meal. Its powerful heating element with integrated temperature control and up to 100 W heating power delivers a hot meal within minutes. Heatbox provides high-performance all-around heat, keeping the flavor and crispness of your food intact for better results. Plus, there's no steam or microwave raise to worry about. The removable inner dish comes with an extra leak-proof lid, making it perfect for storage and transportation. Just prep, pack, and heat. Enjoy perfectly heated meals anytime, anywhere with Heatbox. Switch Lens, the game-changing accessory that transforms any smartphone into a professional camera. Elevate your mobile photography experience with Switch Lens. Simply snap it onto your smartphone and you're ready to capture visually stunning photographs and videos like never before. Switch Lens offers exceptional photo quality thanks to its versatile Micro Four Thirds system, giving you access to a wide range of lenses for any photography style. With a large CMOS sensor that's twice the size of those in flagship smartphones, Switch Lens captures more light and delivers high-resolution, high-quality images. The peaking focus feature highlights sharply focused areas, ensuring your photos are always crisp and clear. Switch Lens supports real light photography, capturing images untouched by AI enhancements, preserving the natural beauty of your shots. And the best part? Switch Lens is super portable, weighing only 180 grams. You can take it anywhere, whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or any scene requiring a specific visual style. Plus, you can use all your existing M43 compatible lenses with Switch Lens. Switch Lens connects to your smartphone through Wi-Fi, allowing seamless operation without physical attachment. Use your phone's full screen to preview every shot before capturing. With support for microSD cards up to 1.5 terabytes, you'll never run out of storage space. Save all your photos and videos or back them up easily. Unleash your smartphone's full potential with Switch Lens. Capture the world in stunning detail and natural beauty, free from AI enhancements. Let's cover something truly innovative smart door, the Wayy smart door system. Imagine transforming any standard door into an automatic pocket door that appears and disappears at your command. The Wayy smart door system includes a full pocket door frame, motor, control panels, and a remote. All you need is a door panel and you're set. Once installed, the Wayy power door can be completely disassembled and reassembled with just a few hex wrenches. It's that simple. Safety is a top priority. Advanced sensors in the jamb and extremely sensitive object detection make it safe for the whole family. The Wayy smart door system is built to last, tested to endure over 1 million cycles without maintenance. Plus, its ultra-quiet, belt-free design ensures smooth operation. Worried about power loss? No problem. The door can be manually opened just like any other door, ensuring you're never stuck. Customize your experience with adjustable opening and closing speeds to fit your needs. It's powered from a standard 110 volts outlet, making it easy to integrate into any home. The Wayy trademark smart door system meets ADA requirements for opening size and emergency opening force, making it accessible for everyone. It works with any standard door panel, giving you the flexibility to choose the perfect door for your space. Transform your home with the Wayy trademark smart door system. Convenience, safety, and style all in one package. Are you a digital nomad looking for a workspace that keeps up with your pace? Look no further, because we want to show the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Cotus Mind, the ultimate blend of high-speed computing and exceptional portability. After countless prototypes and endless dedication, we present to you the Cotus Mind Module PC, designed to fit seamlessly into your dynamic lifestyle. Weighing just 0.99 pounds and less than a quarter the size of an A4 sheet, the Cotus Mind is built to boost your creativity on the move. The Cotus Mind offers 3 distinct modes to cater to your needs. Option for Mind-Only mode for extreme portability, switch to Mind Dock mode for multitasking prowess, or choose Mind Graphics to unleash your creativity in design and gaming. With a 5.55 watt-hour standby battery, enjoy up to 25 hours of sleep mode, ensuring you're ready whenever inspiration strikes. The Mind Dock is more than just a power source. It's your gateway to increased capabilities. Experience a new level of productivity with the Mind Dock. It supports up to 4 4K/60Hz displays and offers 8 additional high-speed I/O ports, making it perfect for home or office use. Cotus Mind boasts a compact form, yet delivers an array of essential ports, ensuring seamless adaptability across diverse scenarios. Each port is top-tier quality, underscoring durability and longevity. Maximize your productivity by effortlessly connecting external devices for monitoring and editing tasks. The Mind Dock instantly supplies power and connectivity without the fuss of tangled cables. Plus, enjoy enhanced security with the built-in fingerprint scanner, ensuring your data remains private and secure. For designers, gamers, and anyone needing superior GPU performance, we offer Mind Graphics. It's tailored for those needing significant GPU power, setting new benchmarks in design efficiency, gaming experience, and even AI model training. Unlock boundless potential with the Cotus Mind as it seamlessly integrates into the dynamic Cotus ecosystem, harmonizing with Mind Dock, Mind Graphics, Mind X Play, and beyond. Thank you for watching. If you're excited about what you saw as we are, make sure to check out the links in the description to learn more and get yours today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tech updates. See you next time, Tech Explorers.